So I'm standing on my tippy toes. I don't know why, but I just am. So I got this lipstick. You know what? I have been the type that I always shied away from like bold lip colors because of my full lips. I always never wanted to attract attention to my full lips. So bold colors like this, you will never catch me wearing bold colors like this. No, ma'am. I always will opt in for like maybe the browns or the mauves or the like the deep pinks and stuff like that. But red, no. But then I realized, oh my gosh, red lip color is really empowering. Like if you're like me and you shy away from a red lipstick, this is the best lipstick to try because this isn't too bright. It isn't too like, I'm comfortable wearing this. I'm comfortable wearing this color and going out, you know. And this is from LB. This is 801 and this is called Betty Boo. So LB Skincare is a small independent skincare company. They are based in Canada and I love this lip color. I've tried lots of lip colors, but there's just something about it. Maybe it's the color, I don't know. Like this is my second red lipstick I have tried and I'm like, wow, this feels different. So it goes on very satiny. It's very, very soft and it dries, like it dries instantly. It dries into a matte. This is just like color stay because it stays on all day. You can eat through it, you can drink through it, and the color is still there. And I'm just looking at my lips as I talk. I just love the color and it complements my skin tone. So this is the kind of color, it doesn't matter how dark you are or how light you are, how fair you are, this lip color just complements all skin tones. Like that is the first thing that I noticed. I'm like, this has like a neutral undertone. So if you're dark skinned, it's not going to make you look ashy. This has a neutral undertone, so this is perfect for all skin types. Wow, I love it. Guys, if you're looking for a red lip, like this is going to be my signature lip color from now on. And I'm going to challenge myself. Red is like a signature color for the holidays. So I'm going to try to wear this to venture out and see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. Yeah, so if you're looking for a lip color, I'm going to leave a link to this product. Be empowered like me. Yes, I can wear a red lipstick, I can wear a bold color and step out. Then let's do that. See you in my next video. Bye guys.